Hello, I'm Jade Robinson and I've created this brand new digital piano course for you. Why have I created a digital piano course when there are so many apps and websites already available? Well, whilst playing along with the apps can be great fun and allows you to play your favourite songs in minutes, they don't teach you about making music. They don't give you an understanding of reading musical notation or encourage good piano playing technique. You find you get through the song by any means possible, using all sorts of random fingers and without having any real understanding of what notes you've been playing and why. That's where this course comes in. It combines the fun of playing along with enjoyable music and the video visuals that you get with the apps, with the theory and technique that is traditionally only available in piano tutor books. From Lesson 1, you will be learning pieces that use both hands, follow visuals that clearly demonstrate how the sheet music relates to the keys on the piano, developing your sense of pulse and rhythm by playing in time with the videos, and learning how to play using the correct fingers. Each piece has 3 steps to independence. Step 1 introduces how the piece sounds and shows you which notes are played, when they are played, and which hand and finger is playing them. Once you are familiar with how the piece sounds and when to change notes, Step 2 encourages reading the notation. In Step 2, all of the sheet music is colour-coded, with the fingers colour-coded below to provide a prompt when needed. In Step 3, the colours have been removed from the sheet music to encourage learners to read the musical notation. Prompts at the top of the page provide a point of reference when needed. Each unit builds on knowledge previously learnt, and recall is embedded throughout the course. The course takes learners up to Grade 1 standard, by which time they will be secure in their musical knowledge and have a great foundation to build on.